Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Webull, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Webull, begin by downloading the Webull app from your device's app store. Open the app once it is successfully installed. On the welcome screen, click on the sign up button. You will be prompted to enter your mobile phone number or email address. Choose the method that suits you best and input the required information. If you chose to sign up with your phone number, you'll receive a verification code via SMS. Enter the verification code in the app to proceed. If you opted to use your email, check your inbox for the verification link and click on it to verify your account. After verification, you will be asked to create a password. Choose a strong password and confirm it by entering it again. Next, provide your personal information, including your full name and address. Fill out your date of birth and employment information as required. You may also need to answer questions related to your investment experience. Review and accept Webull's terms of service and privacy policy. Once all information is filled out, click on the Submit button to complete your registration. Webull will then review your application, which may take a few moments. After approval, you can log into your new account and start exploring the platform. Make sure to set up two-factor authentication for added security. You are now ready to begin trading and utilizing all the features Webull offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.